Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to the family. As you all know, festive season is around the corner and we all need some pretty kurta sets which we can wear not only for festive season but around the year. So आज का haul Indo era से है and it's all about elegant festive ready kurta sets. Please note, this is not a sponsored video. All these pieces are purchased by me and I am giving you genuine review. अब देखिए इस हॉल में बहुत सारी वैरायटी है. सिलुएट तो सिंपल स्ट्रेट क्लासिक सिलुएट है, बट आई हैव यूज्ड वाइब्रेंट कलर्स, सम न्यूट्रल टोन्स, सो देयर इज समथिंग फॉर एवरीवन. सो बिना देरी किए चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का ये हॉल वीडियो. Let's start today's haul with full on festive energy. Because this first look is in this beautiful shade of pink and I'm really obsessed with this color because it is not too dull, not too bright, just perfect for any daytime event or festive gathering. Kurta is A-line and calf length and made in this really soft silk blend fabric. The fit is super flattering, especially because of these pleats below the yoke. ये इस लुक को बहुत ही एक अच्छा फॉल और फ्लो देते हैं. नेकलाइन इज दिस मैंडरिन कॉलर, स्लीव्स आर फुल एंड स्ट्रेट, बट मेन हाईलाइट हियर इज दिस ऑरेंज योक डिटेल जिसके ऊपर अच्छा सा एथनिक मोटिव एम्ब्रॉयडरी किया गया है गोल्ड कलर में एंड सेम कलर के कर्व्स भी दिए हैं. एंड लुक एट द स्लीव्स, इसके ऊपर कितना अच्छा ये बटन का डिटेल भी दिया हुआ है. इट एलिवेट्स द एंटायर लुक. And can you see the subtle mirror work detail on the yoke and sleeves? It is like thoda sa sparkle without being over the top. It comes with matching solid trousers which are partially elasticated तो comfort भी sorted है. Because ये look really festive है, I styled it with my Rubans earrings. For the footwear, my clear heels and I am good to go. And yes, a gold clutch will complete the look perfectly. You can wear this look for Rakhi, upcoming Puja season, or even for Mehndi event. Okay, that was a bright festive moment. Now this next look is little more elegant. Thoda subtle, thoda classy. This is in this gorgeous teal color with this light blue color embroidery. Honestly, ये कलर तो आपके वार्डरोब में होना ही चाहिए. This is a simple straight calf length kurta, very neat and clean silhouette, but daily wear से थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठकर दिखता है, still very easy to carry. Neckline, simple notch neckline, minimal and clean, and the sleeves long with slight flare. And look at this embroidery, this beautiful threadwork embroidery. This is not contrast but still grabs the attention. Trust me, it looks even better in person. But what I really love about this set is this matching lace trim detail on panels, front of the kurta, even on the hemline. It is exactly matching with the embroidery on the sleeves, so it looks really cohesive. Now there is this organza fabric detailing on the hemline and even on the trousers, which elevates the look instantly. Now let's talk about trousers. They are same color, cropped, partially elasticated and super comfortable. And yes, it has one pocket also, so no complaints there. और हाँ, ये सूट एक सिल्क ब्लेंड फैब्रिक में बना हुआ है एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज सुपर सॉफ्ट. इट फील्स लाइक कॉटन. बिकॉज ये सिल्क ब्लेंड है, इसके ऊपर एक स्लाइट शीन भी आता है which makes this look really festive. For the styling, I paired it with these gold and pearl hoops, same bracelets from Amazon again. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and I'm good to go. ये लुक परफेक्ट है फैमिली डिनर्स के लिए, फेस्टिव लंचेस के लिए. इवन ये लुक इतना सटल है कि इसे आप इजीली ऑफिस में भी पहन सकते हैं. ओके, moving on from dreamy teal blue vibes to clean and elegant white and gold. This one is honestly such a timeless piece. ये ना सिर्फ एलिगेंट लगता है बल्कि सुपर वेयरेबल भी है बिकॉज ये फिस्कस रेयन फैब्रिक में बना हुआ है. सो इट्स सॉफ्ट, breezy and super wearable. And the best part, ये transparent भी नहीं है, so no see-through drama. Now let's talk about design. It is simple straight calf length kurta, very clean, classic minimal silhouette. It comes with this beautiful round neckline and this beautiful notch, which instantly elevates the look. It comes with this 3/4 sleeves, which I personally love because they are not too long, not too short, just perfect. But the real star here is this beautiful golden floral embroidery on the front of kurta. It's not too loud, but just enough to make this look feel festive and little more polished. It seriously elevates the entire look and vibe. And the bonus, trousers are not the basic plain trousers. They have the same golden embroidery at the hem with a small slit, which creates such a pretty balance between the set. Again, they are partially elasticated and totally fuss free. Again, I styled it with the jewelry from earlier look, gold hoops, same bracelets from Amazon. For the footwear, my clear heels. ये एक ऐसा लुक है जो लंबे समय तक आपके वार्डरोब में रहने वाला है. इसे आप पूजा के लिए, मंदिर जाने के लिए, इवन ऑफिस में भी पहन सकते हैं. Up next is this black beauty made in cotton blend fabric, which is super soft and super wearable. Again, it is classic calf length straight cut kurta. And honestly, I love this silhouette because ये हर body type को suit करता है, looks elegant and always flattering. Now let's talk about details. It has this nice mandarin collar, long, slightly flared sleeves. And boss, इस look में real showstopper sleeves ही हैं. The sleeves has this nice contrast threadwork embroidery. And see, it is not dainty, it is nice broad embroidery, which immediately grabs the attention and looks absolutely stunning. To balance this embroidery, they have added this nice delicate contrast lace trim at the front, which balances the look beautifully without being too much. And yeah, same lace trim trousers के ऊपर भी दिया हुआ है. And I love when there is a design link between kurta and trousers. Trousers are very comfortable, they are matching, partially elasticated, and yes, एक pocket भी दिया गया है, which is always a major win. I styled this look with these dainty gold earrings and this beautiful chain. ये दोनों एक नए ब्रांड से हैं, Ciodre. I recently discovered this brand. Then I added these beautiful bracelets from Amazon. For the footwear, my Carlton London heels. This dress is giving major power dressing but make it ethnic vibe. This one is perfect for stylish office day or for casual dinner when you want to keep it ethnic, chic and comfy. Black के बाद let's add a little royal flair. This one is made in viscose rayon fabric, which means it is super soft, breezy and very wearable. But the real star here is definitely this color. This rich royal purple is like chef's kiss. It's classy but still fun. Design is really simple. It has this classic round neckline and slightly flared 3/4 sleeves. But trust me, these sleeves are stealing the show. This beautiful gold embroidery on sleeves is just stunning. It is bold but not loud. Plus, they have added this thin gota patti on neckline, hem, even on the slits. It's really a small detail, but brings the whole look together beautifully. Now let's talk about trousers. मुझे इंडो एरा के सारे trousers का fitting बहुत अच्छा लगता है. These trousers are in same color, partially elasticated with drawstring closure. Plus, it has 2 pockets, which is always a bonus for me. और उन्होंने सेम कोटा पट्टी का डिटेल ट्राउजर्स में भी ऐड किया है, so it is creating a nice cohesive look. Because this is a solid dress, I styled it with my Rubans earrings, these bracelets from Amazon. For the footwear, my acrylic strap heels. I completed the look with my gold clutch. This one is perfect for small pujas, mandir visits, simple lunch invites, even for the office day when you want to look stylish in ethnic wear without being too much. तो आपको इस लुक को थोड़ा सा और enhance करना है. Style it with chunky gold necklace or take a nice golden dupatta. After that rich royal purple, थोड़ा brightness चाहिए ना? So this neon vibe is here. This one is for the girls who love lively, vibrant colors. Because the fabric is silk blend and color is this beautiful, it looks really premium and rich. It's an A-line kurta with pleated style which gives it movement and flair. Neckline is this Mandarin style. Sleeves are long and straight. A clean base, but the real wow factor is this contrast yoke. There is this floral threadwork embroidery on the yoke and they have given the same design on the cuffs also. I love this because it looks intentional and put together. और इसके साथ इन्होंने ये mirror work detail भी दिया हुआ है. When it catches the light, it adds just the right amount of sparkle. And can you look at these beautiful cuffs and these beautiful button details on it? There are these beautiful pleats below the yoke जो इस कुर्ते को बहुत ही अच्छा फॉल देती है. एक्चुअली ये स्टाइल सिमिलर है हमारे लुक नंबर 1 के पिंक कुर्ता सेट की तरह, बट कलर अलग है तो टोटली वाइब ही बदल जाता है. इट लुक्स बोल्ड, यंग एंड फन. Trousers are matching, partially elasticated and super comfy as always. I decided to style this look with silver jewelry. So these beautiful earrings from Palmunas. Sleeves are long, so no bracelet. And for the footwear, silver thong style heels. This look is perfect for mehendi event. Okay, so after the pop of neon energy, अब चलते हैं एक bold shade की तरफ. Yes, we are talking about the deep magenta color here. It's festive, it's refined, and it has got those little design details जो quietly make big impact. So this one is made in silk blend fabric. So ये soft भी है और थोड़ा सा festive shine भी देता है. Silhouette is again straight. It's a calf length paneled kurta and it has front slit also, which gives it a modern twist. It has got this classic Mandarin collar and long flared sleeves. And can you see this embroidery? It is totally show stealer. And you can see these fringe detail. Again, it is adding a modern touch to traditional look. But what I really love about this set that it has really subtle design detailing. Can you see this pintuck detail on the front? Isn't it beautiful? Plus they have given this matching lace trim detail on the panels. छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो पूरे look को elevate करती है, and this one is one of them. Trousers are plain, matching, partially elasticated, comes with one pocket, very easy to wear and has a very nice good fit. I styled this look with these silver earrings from Palmunas. Sleeves बहुत long है तो bracelet की जरूरत नहीं है. For the footwear, my silver thong style heels and beautiful look is ready. This one is perfect for festive evening dinners, even for post Diwali parties. So ये थे मेरे 7 picks from brand Indoera. सबके सब size L में है and honestly I am really impressed with the fits and details. Each piece is super wearable and has its own vibe. तो कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए आपको कौन सा सेट अच्छा लगा. And if you like this haul, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video with another styling story. Bye!